Let me quickly adjust this for you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Krale and I want to welcome you personally to this video. Now in this video I'll be explaining to you guys 5 simple tips and maybe a few downsides to starting a business or starting a YouTube or Twitch channel or any social media channel in that category. Now, it's personally my opinion, and this can differ from all the people you maybe see in real life or on YouTube or anywhere else. This is just my personal view and my opinion. So don't comment on that. You can disagree, you can agree, but as I said already, this is my personal view. By the way, guys, we recently acquired and hit 500 subscribers. A big thank you from me to you guys for helping me achieve that goal. You guys have been amazing along the way, and I am so thankful that we reached that amount. Hitting 500 subscribers is already crazy. I would love to hit that 1,000 with you guys. And once again, you guys are the most amazing to help me around there. There's going to be a lot of changes. I'm soon maybe moving to my own place. So yeah, sorry guys that there's been a long wait for a new video, but I have so much going on and I'm so happy these last couple of days that, it's crazy. There's going to be a lot of changes. So bear with me. We're gonna get to 1,000. I'm pretty sure. I believe in you guys and I hope you guys believe in me. Thank you guys once again. Now, if you guys like my videos, make sure that you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and if you would like to and help me out, which I would really appreciate once again, is make sure that you follow me on Instagram. Now, let's get back into the video and I'll let you guys know what I think of starting a YouTube channel or any social media platform or channel, how that works out. Now, if you guys know, I recently started a YouTube channel and we recently hit 500 subscribers, and my channel is based around kind of like the same idea of what the guy Harris Heller does. Now, Harris Heller, or Alpha Gaming, that his YouTube channel where he goes by, is somebody who gives Twitch and streaming tips, how to grow a business, how to grow your YouTube, the best way to avoid DMCA strikes and all of that kind of stuff. It's like a whole broad aspect of thing. Now, I think if I would give as a tip number 1 is finding a topic. So let's say as a beginner, you're building your YouTube channel, you're writing in your name, you're building your channel, you put in a banner and a picture. You need to know where you're going to grow in. Now, starting a YouTube channel isn't easy. Thinking about what we call a plan of action is, what exactly do I want to have my content be surrounded on? This can be gaming, this can be cooking, this can be dance shows, literally everything. Like, people do the craziest things on these platforms, and trust me, there's probably something out there for you as well. So build a plan of action, make sure that you know what you are wanting to do on these platforms. Now, as a tip 2, look guys, growing a following on YouTube or on Twitch or on Instagram, it all takes time and dedication. It's not easy. Look, some people might be, growing faster than me or faster than you. And I recently saw that a person who only had 10 subscribers uploaded a video that had over 10 million views. And maybe that's because the search volume was really high, or the person had luck with their video. There's a lot of aspects that come to look, but as long as you take your time, patience and dedication, and enjoy, that journey to your growth of success, I think that's the most important. That's a tip number 3, because we already explained, patience is key and dedication is necessary. Look, branding is definitely something you need to look into. Like, I get it. Once you start thinking about, let's say we start a YouTube channel about cooking, and maybe you want to personalize your brand or your channel or your social media. Then surround your social media or your YouTube channel or Twitch channel with a banner and a profile picture that kind of represents you. Normally what you see people do is they will put in a picture of themselves as a YouTube or a Twitch picture, for example, so they know it's you. But in the banner, you can maybe bring along your recipes and your social media accounts and basically kind of like information where people can see like, oh, this is where I can find this person. Like, think about your Facebook handle or your Instagram or Twitter, or kind of like you name it, really. So build your business or build your brand, personalize it to how you like it, and then eventually start making content around these videos. And trust me, in the beginning, your branding it might look bad, you know. There's going to be a lot of things that will go different. Your first video might suck. Your first profile picture or banner might suck. Look, it's a start. Everybody had to start from 0 to scratch to wherever they're now. I had to start from 0 to 500 subs now, and I'm more than thankful enough to where I am. I'm really happy, and there's so many things in my life going on that I'm trying to make time for Twitch and YouTube and all that. But trust me, it's crazy nowadays, and I'm actually really happy with that. So as a tip number 4, so we build our YouTube channel, or we build our brand. We did actually had some dedication and patience into it. We uploaded a few videos. We built our brand with a banner and a picture. Now, as this tip number 4, I would say try to kind of look at different YouTube channels. Like, let's say we were starting with that YouTube channel about cooking, or Instagram, or, you know, it doesn't matter what social media platform, but let's just say we start with a YouTube channel. We're doing cooking, and maybe some videos will do well and some might not. Like, as you can see right here, one video that I made about a leap motion sensor got about 3.8k views, and one other video got about 100, you know. So there's a lot of differences in what people look at nowadays, and that's something you need to look into. Now, what I mean by that is reflect on yourself. Look back at your videos and feel like, would this be something I enjoy looking at? Is this something I enjoy watching? You know, and surely maybe you'll tell yourself I do like it, and some people might say they don't. You know, there's always going to be a difference in opinion. Now, to summarize, step 4 is kind of like reflect on yourself. And I think it's important that you look critically at yourself, being like, oh, I maybe should have done this different, or I should add more edits in there, or more cuts into it, or there's a lot of things that you can improve in. And even myself, trust me, there is never going to be a point where anybody's going to be perfect. Everybody can improve in everything, in every single aspect. There's always going to be improvement. Now, as a step number 5, I would say enjoy the journey. It's going to take time, dedication, patience. Look, everybody's going to start somewhere. Looking at, you know, PewDiePie and Jacksepticeye and Eris Heller and, you know, Deem Q. I mean, everybody started somewhere. And the worst videos, you know, it's fun when you see these videos of people, you know, look at where they are now. There were like videos of Jacksepticeye and PewDiePie looking back at their old videos. And, you know, it doesn't matter whether they were bad or not. It adds up to your journey. Let's say from now on, it's 2020, it's 23rd of June. I'm now at 500 subscribers. If I was able to be in the future and look back at it now, and let's say we had over 100, 200, or a million subscribers, and I would look back and I can see myself talking about how happy I am about 500 subscribers, how much of a difference that makes when I would look at that number if I would be somewhere in the highest. You know, it's enjoy the journey, guys. It's part of YouTube. It's part of your success. It takes time. That's really it. So as for the downsides, there's always going to be ups and downs here. And I already gave you guys 5 ups and tips to that. Let's kind of focus on the downsides that might come along your way. Look, starting a YouTube channel isn't easy. It isn't. Like, I'm not going to talk about it takes dedication and patience, because I've said that multiple times in many videos as well. I kind of feel like you should know that by now. The problem with YouTube is, and that's at least one of my biggest concerns and things, always having to come up with ideas. Look, people write scripts, whether that's on your computer or in a notepad. You need to come up with ideas that people enjoy. And there's a lot of tricks you can do. Like, there's programs like TubeBuddy or vidIQ, which can help you look at the search volume. Do people search up like tips and tricks about YouTube or gaming videos, or Shroud with a pentakill, or, you know, it really differs. You need to make sure that you are ready for something like this, because it isn't easy. Look, what I really struggle with sometimes, guys, is bringing up ideas that do well. I've done research about vidIQ, I've done research about TubeBuddy and all kinds of tips and tricks, and there's definitely some things that can help out, but the reality is some videos will do well and some videos will not do as well. And I noticed that as well. You know, what I explained when I had 3.8k views on a sensor or 100 views on streaming platform tips. Look, guys, that's just reality. Some people like to enjoy other kind of content than what you might think do well. So the only really downside for me is First of all, keeping a schedule. Look, keeping a schedule is definitely something you should definitely do, but it's difficult. You know, not everybody can make sure that they can get a video done every once or twice a day per week. And I think the biggest one really that hurts me the most is always looking forward. Like, let's say we make this video now, right? And then it comes down to, what if I make a new video? What is that going to be about? What am I going to put in the video? What kind of edits? Like, so many things come to mind. And look, it isn't easy. Even nowadays, like I'm recording a video, I'm talking to you guys, I'm talking about what you guys probably should be doing to start a YouTube channel. And look, I need to think about what to edit, what to add, what kind of cuts I want to do. And yeah, it's a lot of work, guys. I can tell you, you know, I used to think that making YouTube videos was easy, just record a video, upload it to YouTube, but that's not the case. If you want to do well on YouTube, you got to record videos, edit them the right way, personalize them to your liking, and that takes time. It really does. Like, sometimes I'm busy with editing for hours and sometimes even days because either I want to change things or I want to add in things, and that's really it, guys. And trust me, recently I acquired a full-time editor by the name Martin, and trust me, that saved me a lot of time. Like, I will be recording videos and he will be actually editing the videos for me, and it really helps out. But I can understand some people might not be able to afford a full-time editor, and that's completely fine. Look, your first couple of videos don't have to be incredibly crazy. Everybody makes a start. As long as you enjoy the process, guys, that is the most important thing about starting a YouTube. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was informative from me to your side. If you guys like this type of video, then please do let me know in the comments down below. If you guys want me to make more kinds of these videos, make sure to hit the notification bell, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Once again, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers.